Hey, Miss Angle, how you doing? Let me talk to her.
She's not here.
Yeah, man, I know she's not there. Yeah, man. Fifi, what go on? Yeah, alright. We bring a package, come here, so you're not there here, so we'll leave it to your grandma. Oh, you like the service so far?
Huh?
Oh, you like the service so far?
No one is great. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah,
Nice.
I'm always from when? Since January.
Yeah?
I'm on them. Yeah.
Nice.
But we usually take the delivery in 4 more.
Okay. Alright. What they here, we'll drop it off so everything good, alright?
Alright.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah. How much package did you choose?
It's six items.
Okay.
You did combine shipment them?
Yes, I did.
Alright,
But
good.
them alright.
So you save even more.
Because of the 6 I expect.
Alright, very good. Alright then, take care of yourself later, yeah?
Alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you too. Alright, good boy. Thank you, yeah? Grandma, have a good one. Alright, guys, you see? You know, for the woman now, we drop off the package to grandma if you want. You hear, I hope you heard what she said. She loved the service, she's with us a good while now. She used to be in Portmore, now she's here in Kingston. And we'll find her, we'll drop off our package, alright? Guys, there's a link. Click on the link, you can't stress it enough. Click on the link, join us today, check us out. Remember, your first item that you ship is shipped for free. So I want you to try us out. If you like it, stay. If you don't like it, fine. Alright? So go ahead, click on the link, join us today. Alright, big up on yourself. Kingston, be wise. Later.